Good morning. Those who are preparing for the UPSC principal and vice principal, today topic is most important for you. Today topic is dice. Okay, it's very important topic, dice. First of all, I am discussing about the standard dice. What is the standard dice? Add the opposite numbers. Add the opposite numbers. Then the sum is 7. Then it is called the standard dice. Okay. Suppose here you can observe 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 2 5. Therefore it is a standard dice. Why? Because these are the adjacent sides. Okay. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Okay. Therefore 2 and 5 are the opposite sides. 3 and 4 are the opposite sides. 1 and 6 are the opposite sides. Therefore, it is called the standard dice. It is called the standard dice. Non-standard dice. Any two adjacent sides is equal to 7. Then it is called the non-standard dice. Okay. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, it is a non-standard dice. Next. Here we are discussing about the two rules. Okay. These two rules are very important. The first one, rule 1. When one number is common in both dice, what is the opposite of 1? Okay. First of all, you can observe 6 is the common in both dice. Then you can write in this way. First of all, write 6 and next 4 and 2 in this direction. And write 6 here, 5, 3. It means the opposite of 4 is equal to 5, the opposite of 2 is equal to 3, the opposite of 6 is 1. Opposite of 6 is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay. Therefore, opposite of 1 is equal to 6. This is the rule 1. Next, rule 2. When the two numbers are same, then the remaining numbers are opposite. These are the two dice. You can observe first dice. 6 and 4. These two are common. Therefore, 5 and 1 are opposite. Therefore, 5 and 1. Opposite of 1 is equal to 5. This is the answer. Example 1. Find the number of opposite to 3. Okay. You can observe. This is the standard dice. Why? These 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 6, 9. Therefore, it is not equal to 7. Therefore, it is a standard die. Therefore, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Therefore, 3 and 4 are opposite. 2 and 5 are opposite. 1 and 6 are opposite. Therefore, the answer is what is the answer? Opposite to 3 is equal to 4. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. Find the number of opposite to 6. You can observe how many numbers are common here. 1 is common. Here. Therefore, write in this way. 1, 3, 6. Right here. Second dice. 1, 5, 2. Okay. 3 is the opposite of 5. 6 is the opposite of 2. There is only one number missed, that is the 4. Therefore, 1 is opposite to 4. Okay. Therefore, answer is 6 is opposite to 6 is 2. 6 opposite is equal to 3 opposite is equal to 5. 1 opposite. There is only one number missed. That is equal to 4. Therefore, answer is equal to 2. Next question. Find the number of opposite to 5. Find the number of opposite to 5. You can observe here 2 and 6 are common. 2 and 6 are common. Two numbers are same in dice. 2 dice. Two numbers are same. Therefore, according to rule 1, according to rule 2, opposite to 5 is equal to 4. This is the answer. Okay. Next. Find the number of opposite to 6. But here given 3 dice. You can take any 2 dice. Your wish. You can, first of all, comparing here. First of all, I am taking, this is the dice A. This is the dice B. This is the dice C. I am taking A and B. I am taking. 4 is common in 2. A comma B dice. Okay. 4 is common in 2. Then you can write in this way. Starting from 4, 5, 1. 4, 3, 6. What is the question? Opposite to 6. You can observe 5 opposite to 3, 1 opposite to 6. Therefore, answer is equal to 1. Opposite 1. Okay. Opposite is 1. What is the opposite of 4? Opposite of 4 is equal to 2. There is only one number missed. That is the opposite of 4. There is only one number missed. That is the opposite of 2. I am taking another method. Method 2 also. B and C dice. I am taking. Okay. B and C dice. Here observe. In B and dice, which dice is common? Which face is common? 6 is common. You can observe here. 6 is common. Okay. 6 is common. Therefore, from 6 to like this. 6, 4, 3. 6, 4, 3. 6, 2, 5. Like this. 6, 2, 5. 4 is opposite to 2. 4 is opposite to 2. 3 is opposite to 5. There is only one number missed. What is the number? 2. Therefore, there is one number missed. That is a 1. Therefore, 6 is opposite to 1. Opposite to 6 is equal to 1. Okay. 3 is opposite to 5. 4 is opposite to 2. There is only one number missed. That is 1. 6 is opposite to 1. This is the answer. Next question. Find the number of opposite to 3. Find the number of opposite to 3. You can take any 2 diagrams, your wish. I am simple taking. First of all, I can check how many numbers are common. According to this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, this is the D. Okay. I am selecting B and D. Why? B and D. Why? Because you can observe here 6 and 1. These are common. 6 and 1. B and D dice. 6 and 1 same. Therefore, opposite to 3 is 4. This is the answer. Opposite to 3 is 4. Simple. Okay. According to rule 2. Next question. Which of the following dice can be found by the folding the following figure? It's simple. You can observe here 2 and 4 opposite. 6 and 3 opposite, 1 and 5 opposite. Okay, 2 opposite to 4, 3 opposite to 6, 1 opposite to 5. These are the opposite. What is the folding figure? You can observe. I am giving 10 seconds to you. I am given options A, B, C, D. What is the answer? What is the answer? First diagram you can observe. First diagram you can observe. What is the rule? 1 and 5 are opposite. But here 1 and 5 are adjacent. Therefore, this is the wrong. 2 and 4 are opposite. In this diagram B, 2 and 4 are adjacent sides. Therefore, it is the wrong. 1 and here observe C. In C, 4, 1, 6. 1, 4, 4, 6, 1 or 1, 4, 6. Here 2 and 4 are opposite, 3 and 6 are opposite, 1 and 5 are. Therefore, C is the correct option. C is the correct option. Check D also. 3 and 6 are opposite here. 3 and 6. But here in this diagram, 3 and 6 are adjacents beside. Therefore, this is also wrong. This is also wrong. Therefore, option is C. Next. Which of the following dice can be formed by the folding the given figure? Folding the given figure. Simple. Simple. 3 and 6 opposite. 1 and 5 opposite. 2 and 4 is opposite. 1 opposite to 5. 2 opposite to 4. 3 opposite to 6. These are the opposite. These are the opposite. I am given options. What is the answer? I am given 10 seconds. Here you can observe first diagram. 2, 3, 6. But in the sum, 3, 6 are opposite. Therefore, this is the wrong. A is the wrong. A is the wrong. According to B, 2 and here 1 and 5 opposite, 2 and 4 opposite, 3 and 6 opposite. But in this diagram, there is no opposite side. All are different. Therefore, this is the correct answer. You can check whether C also. Whether check C also. Here 1 and 5 are opposite. But in this diagram, 1 and 5 adjacent side. Therefore, this is also wrong. Okay. D. 2 and 4 are opposite. 2 and 4 are opposite. 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 6. Okay. Therefore, in third diagram, 2 and 4 are opposite. But in here they are given adjacent. Therefore, this is the wrong. Next, sum number 8. Which of the following dice cannot be formed by folding the given figure? Cannot be. Iska meaning 3 dice are wrong. Only 1 dice is right here. Cannot be formed. Cannot be formed. Okay. Here you can observe AC opposite, DF opposite, A and C opposite, B and E opposite, D and F, D and F opposite. These are the opposite. What is the answer? What is the answer? Write on comment box. Okay. Write on comment. This is the homework for you. Thank you. Thank you very much.